Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will continue on how to find the general equation, standard equation, center, and the radius of a circle. So pre-calculus pa rin tayo mga kapatid. So we have, ang problem natin is find the general equation, standard equation, center, and radius of a circle passing through the points coordinates of 4 and 7, negative 1 and 2, and 4 and negative 3. So tingnan natin, let P point 1 or P sub 1 is, so ito yung point 1 natin, that is 4 and 7, point 2, so that is negative 1 and 2, and let P sub 3, that is 4 and negative 3. Next, we will find the general equation. So ang general equation natin is, we will use ito muna, point 1. So point 1 natin is 4, 7. So ano ba yung general equation ng circle? So general equation is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Then we will substitute. So let x equals 4 and y is 7. So we will substitute the value of x and the value of y in this general equation of a circle. So anong value ng x? So that is 4 raised to 2 plus ang y is 7 raised to 2 plus d times the value of x, that is 4, plus e times the value of y, that is 7, plus f equals 0. Next, simplify 4 raised to 2, that is 16, plus 49 plus 4 times d, that is 4d, plus e times 7, that is 7e, plus f equals 0. Next, simplify. We have 4d, una yung 4d, ito, then plus 7e plus f equals 14 plus 49, that is 65. So positive 65, i-transpose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 65. Ito na yung equation 1 natin. Equation 1. Next, point 1 pa tayo. Point 2 or point sub 2, that is negative 1 and positive 2. So again, the general equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Then ang x natin is negative 1, ang y natin is positive 2. I-substitute natin. So ang value ng x is negative 1, so magiging negative 1 raised to 2 plus ang value ng y is 2, so 2 raised to 2 plus d times negative 1 plus e times 2 plus f equals 0. Then simplify. Negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1, plus 2 times 2, that is 4, negative 1 times d, that is negative d, plus 2 times E, that is 2E, plus F equals 0. Then, simplify. So, mauna yung negative D plus 2E plus F equals 1 plus 4, that is 5. Pag i-transpose natin sa kabila, magiging negative 5. So, ito na yung equation 2 natin. Equation 2. Next, point 3, we have, or P sub 3, we have 4 and negative 3. Substitute natin yan sa general equation of a circle, that is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Next, i-substitute natin ulit. So, ang x is 4 and ang y is negative 3. So, 4 raised to 2 plus the value of y is negative 3 raised to 2 plus d times 4, that is the value of x, plus e times the value of y, that is negative 3, plus f equals 0. Then simplify. 4 times 4, that is 16, plus negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Then 4 times d, that is 4d. Negative 3 times e, that is negative 3e. Plus f equals 0. Then simplify. Mauna yung 4d. Next, negative 3e plus f equals 0. Next, tingnan natin. Meron na tayong, this is 16 plus 9. So that is 25. That is negative 25. So this is negative 25. So this is yung equation 3 natin. Equation 3. Next, we will use systems of linear equation to solve for the value of d, e, and f. So ang equation 1 natin, that is 4d plus 7e plus f equals negative 65. Ang equation 2, that is negative d plus 2e plus f equals negative 5. Equation 3, 4d minus 3e plus f equals negative 25. Negative 25. So using the systems of linear equation, solve for d, e, and f. So we can eliminate the value of f. So eliminate f using equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 natin is 4d plus 7e plus f equals negative 65. Equation 1. Ang equation 2 natin, ito yung equation 1. Equation 2, that is d or negative d plus 2e plus f equals negative 5. So how to eliminate f in this equation? So multiply the second equation by negative 1. So i-multiply natin. So equation 1, kopyahin muna natin, 4d plus 7e plus f equals negative 65. Then multiply natin negative 1 times negative d, that is positive d. Then negative 1 times 2e, that is negative 2e. The negative 1 times f, so that is negative f equals negative 1 times negative 5, that is positive 5. Then you need to add 4d plus d, that is 5d. 7a minus 2a, that is positive 5e. Then positive f minus f, so ma-eliminate na ito. So that is equals to negative 65 plus 5, so that is negative 60. So ito na yung equation 4 natin. Equation 4. Next, eliminate d and f. So how to eliminate the variable d and f? By equation 1 and equation 3. Tingnan natin. So ang equation 1 natin, we have 4d plus 7e plus f equals negative 65. Then that is equation 1. Equation 3, we have 4d minus 3e plus f, so equals negative 25. So how to eliminate the value of d and f? So tingnan natin. So equation 1, 4d plus 7e plus f equals negative 65. Then ang equation 3 is 4d minus 3e plus f equals negative 25. So how to eliminate variable d and variable f? So by multiplying both sides of this equation by negative 1. Negative 1. So ang result, so 4d, equation 1 ito, plus 7e plus f equals negative 65. Then multiply natin negative 1 times 4d, that is negative 4d. Negative 1 times negative 3e, that is positive 3e. Next, negative 1 times f, so that is negative f equals negative 1 times negative 25, that is positive 25. Then simplify or i-add natin 4d minus 4d, that is 0 or ma-eliminate na yan. 7e plus 3e, so that is 10 or 10e. Then positive f minus f, ma-eliminate na yan, so that is equals to negative 65 plus 25, that is negative 40. Next, divide both sides by 10. This is 10. So the value now of e is negative 4. So meron na tayong value ng e. So how to find the value of d? Solve for d. Using equation 4. So ano ba yung equation 4 natin kanina? So ito yung equation 4 natin. 5D plus 5E, ito, equation 4 equals negative 60. We will substitute the value of E, that is negative 4, so that we can find the value of D. So 5D plus 5 times the value of E, that is negative 4, equals negative 60. Then simplify 5D plus ito 5 times negative 4, that is negative 20, equals negative 60. Then 5D positive times negative 20, that is negative 20, equals negative 60. Isa-isahin natin. So 5D equals, pag i-transpose natin ito sa kabila, magiging positive. So that is 20 positive minus 60 equals, so we have 5D equals 20 minus 60, that is negative 40. Then divide both sides by 5. So the value of D is, anong value ng D natin? So negative 40 divide 5, that is negative 8. So ito na. Meron tayong value ng E. Meron tayong value ng D. So to solve for F, you can use equation 1, equation 2, or equation 3. So unahin natin yung equation 1. So we will use equation 1 to solve for the value of F. So equation 1 natin, that is 4D plus 7E plus F equals negative 65. Substitute natin yung value ng D and saka value ng E. So 4 times value ng D is negative 8 plus 7 times the value of E is negative 4 plus F equals negative 65. Then 4 times negative 8, that is 32, negative 32. Then positive 7 times negative 4, that is negative 28 plus F equals negative 65. Then negative 32 minus 28, so that is negative 60 plus F equals negative 65. Then i-transpose natin sa kabila, so remaining is F equals, ito negative 60 magiging positive 60, subtract 65. So F equals, na yung value ng F natin, 60 minus 65, that is negative 5. So meron na tayong value ng E, D, at saka F. Next, we will substitute the two. Next, we will substitute the general equation of a circle. So ano yung general equation ng circle? X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So ano yung value ng x kanina? Okay. Value ng x? Okay, wala. So x squared plus y squared plus, anong value ng d kanina? That is negative 8 times x plus value ng e is negative 4 times y plus value ng f is negative 5 equals 0. Then simplify. So x squared plus y squared negative 8 times x, that is negative 8x, positive or negative 4y, negative 4 times y, that is negative 4y, then minus 5 equals 0. So ito na yung general equation of a circle. So ito na yung hinahanap natin, general equation. Okay, next, to find the center, so we have, anong formula natin? So h equals negative d over 2a. So equals, ano yung value ng d? That is negative 8. So negative times negative 8 over 2. The value of a is 1. So understood na yan, may 1 na yan. 2 times 1, that is 2. Then negative times negative 8. So positive 8 over 2. So ang h natin is 4. So ang h natin is 4. Next, the value of k. So formula, we have negative e over 2a. So ano yung negative value ng a natin is negative 4. So negative times negative 4 over 2. So equals 4 over 2. So the value of k is 2. The value of k is 2. So ang center natin is at 4 and positive 2. How about yung r? So ang radius, that is square root of d squared plus e squared minus 4af over 4a squared. That is the formula in finding the radius. So substitute natin, we have square root of value ng d, that is negative 8. So negative 8 raised to 2 plus value ng a, that is negative 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 5 over 4 times 1 equals, that is negative 8 times negative 8, so that is 64 plus 4 times 4, that is 16. Then negative 4 times 1 times negative 5, that is positive 20 over 4. So equals 64 plus 16 plus 20, that is equivalent to 100 over 4. So equals square root of 100 divided 4, that is 25. So square root ng 25, that is 5. So ang radius natin is 5. So ano ba yung general or standard equation ng circle? So ang standard equation is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So ang standard equation natin, we have x subtract the value of h is 4, ito. Then raised to 2 plus y minus 2, that is the value of k, raised to 2 equals, ang r natin is 5 raised to 2. Then simplify, x minus 4 raised to 2 plus y minus 2 raised to 2 equals 25. So ito na yung standard equation natin. So ito yung sagot. Standard equation, center, radius, and general equation given by the 3 points. Okay, so that's all for today.